So I'll show y'all how this works. I'm gonna rest it on there, and you'll see on the sides here, this right here, these measurement increments, as long as they're the same on both sides, you know you're centered. So right here I got 17 and a half, and over here I got 17. So I'm gonna slide that to 17 and a quarter, and then I should have 17 and a quarter there. This is a sliding stop. I'm gonna slide that over, tighten it down, and now for the rest of these drawers, I can just bring it in and slide it over to my stop, and I know I'm good to go. 17 and a quarter, 17 and a quarter. So now I can go down the line when I'm installing this stuff and just make sure none of these are any different. These are all the same. That's a really quick way to do this, just as far as the speed you can see already. So I'm gonna have that right there. Then we need to find the center of the width of the drawer. And I know this drawer is 5.5 inches wide, this drawer front. So I'm gonna go to 5.5 to where this is at the top of 5.5 and tighten this down. Now I'm gonna take that hardware, and I already have this set up because I've been using this already. And then I'm gonna make sure that it's perfect with respects to this. So as long as the distance between these two guides right here and these two guides are the exact same, you're gonna be perfectly centered. So now that I'm good to go there, the great thing about this, this guide will just guide me right in to where I need to go. All right, so that should be perfectly centered for width and length of the drawer. And then I'll go ahead and install this on there. And we're good to go. We'll take a look at this, and that is dead on. We should be at 2 3/4, right in the middle. We're good to go. 2 3/4, because this is 5.5. And then we'll check from here. I got 6 1/8. And then over here I got 6 1/8. So that's how quick you can do it. There you have it. And what this does is it eliminates a lot of things. It eliminates time wasted measuring. It also eliminates making pencil or pin lines on the drawer. So if you were gonna be doing this, you know, just with the tape measure, and you'd say, oh, I want it here, and you draw it out, you may not, you know, you may get it wrong, and then you have to touch it up. And these cabinets are already finished, so we don't wanna be making any marks on them.